And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Mondays here on the program, we like to put the spotlight on the farm organization called the Alliance for the Future of Agriculture in Nebraska, or AFAN. Today,
AFAN is connecting us with two men who will be participating in a panel at the upcoming Cattlemen's College in Kearney. So joining us now is Russ Barger. He is with Barger Drone, and Clay Mead with All Flex USA. Thanks for being here, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. So first of all, you both are involved with an upcoming Cattlemen's College. Russ, for those who may not know, what's it all about?
Well, Cattlemen's College is designed primarily for the younger cattlemen. They've been generally hand-selected, or they've had to apply to get into this type of learning environment. It's not just a bunch of seminars and things about political issues. This actually covers some of the new technologies that are coming up, some of the new types of management that are coming up. It's to groom these younger cattlemen to be leaders for the Nebraska Cattlemen organization.
Yeah, that's different today. The world is different today in how you're farming, right?
That's true.
Yeah. And this is coming up at the annual Nebraska Cattlemen Convention in Kearney. That's in December here. And I think the main message you guys have is that technology is really changing cattle production. And Clay, you brought an example.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we're in a sector right now, especially in the beef side, where technology is constantly changing. On All Flex, on our side anyway, we've got some new technologies out there, some old technologies as well. But one thing I know we'll especially talk about at Cattlemen's College is our new monitoring system. And essentially, it's an ear tag. I liken it to a Fitbit like you and I may wear. So this will be something we talk a lot about. Basically, it's cow monitoring. It's the first out there in the industry right now on the cow side. So this would be technologies that we're tying all this together with.
These ear tags kind of tell the producer how the cattle is doing, maybe examines whether they're feeling well or not feeling well, that sort of thing.
Yeah, so a couple different applications with this process. One may be estrus detection, so keying in a little bit more on our breeding decisions, breeding timing. And the other application is the well-being, health of the mama cow. Maybe we're monitoring her eating, her activity, rumination, and so forth. So we can monitor her health and well-being going down the road.
Okay, very good.
And then also, Russ, now you have Barger Drone. Tell us about this.
Well, there's been a lot of drone activity on the crop side over the last several years, but the livestock side has sort of been left out, and we've decided that this is a niche that needs filled. I mean, we're in the beef state, so this is the place for us to try to apply some of these types of technologies to help producers become more efficient and save some time.
And this is just an example again of how technology is really changing and cattle production is changing. And I think we might have a picture, just what that might look like from above, with the drone looking down on the cow. This is another example of how producers can see where their cattle are, check on them using drones.
Yes, that's during calving season. If you want to zip out and see if that cow's laying down and having a calf, you can do it in 2 or 3 minutes with that versus 15 or 20, maybe an hour or more if you're driving from a distance.
Right.
Fantastic.
Okay, so the Cattlemen's College coming up December 4th through 7th. We appreciate you guys for being here today.
Okay, thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Thanks for being here. We do appreciate that.